Stop wasting time by plotting each single paper. You can use batch plot by just one click and all drawings will be plot and compiled in a single file. This video describes how to publish multiple drawings to PDF files in AutoCAD. This process is also known as batch plotting. Here is how you can do it. You need to have layout sheets like this, each single sheet on different layout. You can add number of layout. Simply right-click. Move or copy. Create a copy. OK. Set plotting requirement and all necessary options accordingly, like scale and all things you need on each sheet. After setting the sheet, just click Apply Layout, then Cancel. If you are done setting all the layouts, click Option. Click Batch Plot. Remove all unrequired layouts. Make sure background option is unchecked. Otherwise, plotting in background will make you wait so long. Set publish to a desired output, for example, PDF. Click Publish. Select File Directory. Let's select Desktop. This is the PDF file created. All drawings compiled in a single file. You don't need another software for combining the drawings. Same concept can also be used for publishing to a plotter, printer, or DWF. Save plotting time.